Payback tags, yeah. Running out of gas, yeah. Made a bitch fall in love, yeah. Threw in the trash, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. Now today we got my boy Ty in the chair, and he's gonna get a mid-fade. This haircut, it don't really just necessarily take me too long, because you know it's really just one big fade all around the head. But to start this haircut off, we're gonna brush the hair down. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, so you can tune into other future uploads, and click that bell notification. And now we're gonna go in with our ball guideline. You can set this in at a straight line, or you could just drop it towards the back. It's your choice. Or you could just simply ask your client in the chair what do they want, like for how they fade to be looked. Jesus, I cannot talk. But for how they fade want to look in the back. There you go. But yeah, after you set in your ball guideline, just ball it out underneath. Now we're gonna go in with our lever open. This is like no guard, and you just keep the lever all the way open. Now, mind you, since it's a mid fade, I can take the line up to a longer like width, so you can stretch this one a bit wider when you're doing fades. Now, tapers is more a tighter workspace, so when you're doing tapers, make sure it's like more controlled. Like watch where you're going, like with your blade, so you don't take too much hair off. But yeah, we're just going up with our one guard now. The highest guard that we used on him was a 1.5, and that was to take down his front tapered line. We did a 1 on the sides just to pretty much make, do the fade. And now we're just simply closing the lever, which will take away that middle line that you guys see. And this will lighten it up only a little bit. Once you come in with which we'll do next. But yeah, this will only lighten up that line. And as you make sure you also brushing your fade back down after you like go up with your clipper against the grain. And make sure you see your lines clearly when you set them in as well. Now we're going in with our half guard, closed middle to open. Now we start off closed, but we inch it up every time a little bit, so we can take out that line and just keep taking. But as you go up, you will continuously take out lines, but with you brushing it, you won't really see them. Well, you should be able to see them kind of. But, overall, you should see the lines. But as you see, like, as I'm going up higher and higher, I'm opening up that lever as well. But yeah, as you open up the lever, it should, just slice through pretty much easy. But make sure you're also using your corners so you can be, like, fairly detailed. Like, if you see me just turn the blade, like, slightly downward, that's me angling the blade to pretty much just detail the fade so it can come out, blurry as possible. Now, right here, after you, complete like all your steps, this is where you detail. Just detail your fade after you done completed all your steps. And if you like how this fade is coming out, go ahead and like the video down below and subscribe while you're at it, and click that bell notification too, so you can see my future uploads. I'm trying to get to 200, so let's go ahead and get there, y'all. We had, I think it was 140, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, 140. Let's go ahead and get there. Now, right now, we just pretty much fading the other side. I'm going to let y'all sit back and enjoy this one. So I'm going to hush up, y'all.
Beats.
And ladies and gentlemen, we are taking his front taper down with a 1.5 guard, as we stated previously in the video. Now, one thing I like to do is pretty much take it down at a higher length, so therefore it saves more hair and the hairline can appear more full. Because as you can see, my client has 2 recession points, so we're gonna fix those. And I'll see y'all. We pretty much do it on the lineup prep right now. He did not like that got to be spray. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. But yeah, we're just pretty much doing the hairline now. And just make sure you start in the middle though when, you know, lining someone up or yourself. Always start in the middle. So therefore you have like a less amount of space to get to when working from side to side instead of middle side. And now we're applying our enhancements. I have a new enhancement now. It's under tune 45. This is the Onyx Black. I'm gonna try to get the brown one so I can show y'all how that looks on, you know, different clients and stuff. Now we're applying our brown magic pencil to the vertical bars. That's just my signature on a haircut. You can create your own signature. It's just, you know, you just got to be creative with it. That's all I can really just tell you, and just find something, you know, that's pretty much like different and something that'll only pertain to like you. Like for me, I do the vertical bars, so they'll like, you know, any of my people or like anyone watching, they'll be like, oh, that's Triiipleooo cut, or, you know, someone else's cut. Now we starting our razor work. Now to do the razor, with your opposite hand that's holding the razor. So pretty much either, you know, your left hand if you're right-handed and your right hand if you're left-handed. But for the off hand, use that hand to stretch the skin and use the hand with the razor in it to glide it back towards the hairline. So therefore you can get that crispy effect, you know, pretty much like Instagram quality. Now, y'all, this is the before. My boy came in looking bug nasty. Now, once we complete this spin in this chair, You know it's finna be straight magic once you can step up out of it. I'ma just let y'all wait on this one. Fave fam, this is the after. If you like this haircut, go ahead and like the video down below. Comment what you think about the haircut 1 through 10. Subscribe if you are new, and to click that bell notification as well while you're down there. And Fave fam, I'm out. Peace.
Payback tags, yeah. Run out of gas, yeah. Made a bitch fall in love, yeah. Doing the trash, yeah.